Hey guys, welcome to our video today. We're going to speak about be an expert at solving algebra equations. Guys, before I start, please, we are teacherlookup.com. I just want to tell you what we do. I've made this website, and the aim of this website is to spread education and help others get educated and learn fundamentals about anything that we teach. It can be maths, science. As we go on with time, we're going to put more and more topic notes and help more and more people. So please support us by donating any amount that you think is right, and we'll greatly appreciate it. Now, coming back to how to be an expert at solving algebra equations. So first of all, what are algebra equations? Algebra is the main branch of mathematics that uses symbols to represent values. It's one of the core fundamentals of maths. Especially when you are in school, you look at algebra, you look at trigonometry, and you'll find algebra as one of the fundamentals of maths. English alphabets are used as symbols to represent any number or quantity. For example, you can use the variable x to denote any quantity in a given equation. So if we consider the equation x plus 3 equals 7, it states that the value of equation is 7. The condition is true when the value of x is 4. Thus, x equals 4 is the solution of the equation x plus 3 equals 7. Well, how did we find out x equals 4, you may ask? That's because 4 plus 3 equals 7. You can simply work out x by subtracting 3 from 7, so you'll end up with 4. Linear equations. An equation that has the highest power of the variable as 1 is called the linear equation. Guys, we covered this in our previous video on straight line graph. If you subscribe and have a look, we keep posting topic notes and it's all related. I'll put a link on the description for you. So the general form of the linear equation in x is ax plus b equals cx plus d, where a, b, c, and d are constants. The sign of equality divides the equation into two sides that are referred to as the left-hand side and the right-hand side respectively. Thus, x minus 3 equals 4, 3y plus 2 equals 8, 2z minus 3 equals 7 are examples of linear equations in x, y, and z respectively. For example, the sum of y and 10 is 17 can be represented as y plus 10 equals 17. In order to solve the equation, we have to find the value of y that makes the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. Below is the equation on how we solve the y plus 10 equals 17. So first we write the equation, then as we said previously, we take everything to the right hand side, which is when it goes to, there's a simple rule that I always remembered, and my mathematical teacher has drilled this to me from a very young age, and it's called change the side, change the sign. Change the side, change the sign. And what this will do is when you change the side of 10, you change the sign so it's plus. It goes on the other side, it gets minused. And remember this rule, guys, it will take you far in algebra. Did you know the word linear is derived from the word line? If a graph is plotted for such equations, then it is always a straight line. How to solve algebra equations? You can solve algebra equations using following rules. The same number can be added to both sides of an equation. The same number can be subtracted from both sides of an equation. Each side of an equation can be multiplied by the same non-zero number. Each side of an equation can be divided by the same non-zero number. And rules of transposition. The rule of transposition states that while solving algebraic equations, a term of one side of the equation can be shifted to the other side with a change in its sign. For example, 3x plus 5 equals 8 can be written as 3x equals 8 minus 5. So guys, this is we've put some questions for you to answer, and we've answered them for you. So have a go, have a practice. If you have any questions, please come down. I'll put a link of this website in the description. Please come down, put your comments on the website, and we'll help you solve and get through your issues. Guys, thanks for coming and looking at this video. Have a great day.